In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If your document is acting strangely with page numbers, headers, footers, or formatting suddenly changing, there's a good chance a section break is the cause. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find those breaks, understand what they're doing, and remove them without confusion. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Go to the area where you suspect something odd is happening. Maybe the layout changes, or the page numbering restarts. That's usually where a section break is hiding. To actually see section breaks, you need to turn on Word's formatting marks. At the top of the screen, click on the Home tab. In the middle of the toolbar, look for the paragraph symbol, which looks like a backward P. Click that icon. The moment you do, Word will reveal all the hidden formatting, spaces, paragraph marks, and most importantly for us, section breaks. Now, scroll through your document and look for the words section break on the page. It might say section break, next page, or section break, continuous. These will usually appear as a dotted line stretching across the page with that label in the middle. Take a moment to identify exactly which section break is causing the issue. For example, if your page numbering restarts on page 3, check just above that page for a section break. Once you've found the section break you want to remove, click your mouse just to the left of the word section. You should see your cursor blinking on that line. Now simply press the delete key on your keyboard. If nothing happens, try clicking just after the break and use the backspace key instead. The break line should disappear from the document. After removing it, scroll through and check your formatting. Look at the page numbers, headers, footers, and margins to make sure everything now flows the way you want. If something doesn't look right, you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo and try removing a different section break instead. A quick tip here. Section breaks can be useful for creating different headers, footers, or page orientations within the same document, so remove only the ones you're sure you don't need. When you're done, you can click the paragraph symbol again to hide the formatting marks and return your document to a clean, normal view.